Jasper Hewitt here, Bushwakka Africa. I'm going to quickly give you a demonstration how to open and close your Bushwakka Kamelback 180 awning. It's quite straightforward. Follow the process, do the tricks. You have a very nice tight roll-up rig on the side of your Kamelback. So step one, we've got these two zip sliders. I normally have them actually in the front where it's dust free. Anyway, back now, open up that one, bring this one to the front. That allows the cover to slip up. Then you've got three straps, 1, 2, 3, that secures it in place. Just release the straps. 1, 2, and 3. There will be of the arms. Now remember the sequence. The front arm will be the first arm to fold open, then the back arms go afterwards. We grab this front arm. I've left my ratchet straps on the end of the awning, so grab that, put it round, and secure. So I've just clipped that ratchet onto the other side of the rack. Then we take the rear arm, slide it round. Same thing, there's my ratchet hook. And we can just put it in there and give it a nice firm pull. So, freestanding awning, as you know, you can drop these poles down and they're adjustable. Right, so my awning is up. Part of my setup, I've got two poles. This pole is for supporting the roof over here by right off. And then the second pole goes in over here to give you additional support. Also just release it, slide it in there, two locating points, and you lock it in place. That gives you a nice strong support, and you can pull this guide rope in if you want more tension on this area. Stores back there. This one then goes into this little ring at the top here, flips in there, and you adjust it to give you a pitch. Put that away there again. And one last thing about this awning setup, each strap has a little Velcro patch which you can roll up like this and attach your strap as neatly out of the way. So that's how you set up your awning. Now I'm going to close it. Just the reverse process. Make sure all your straps are free, holes are put away. Then remember we start out from the back. So the back awning comes in first, the back arm, then the front arms come around. Important to remember that. So I've got my strap. I'm just going to hook it back up here so it's where I need it next time I open up. Bring these arms around. At some point the two arms come together. And now I'm going to lift this piece of canvas, this part of the awning, lift it up. So I'll go underneath it. Remember this, go underneath. And it's neatly underneath the awning like that. It'll stop. I'll go around and fetch the front arm. Hook that up there so it's out of the way. And then I continue to bring this around. Just give it a little push in, bring it around. Make sure my straps are free. Okay. And the last one over here. So another good trick is to take this strap first, pull these ends together, just in there, lift it up slightly, get a nice firm pull, and that secures that arm. Now I can go and do the end strap this side, same thing, put it in, put a nice firm tug, lock it in place, and then this is all like a triangle down here, bring it down through, grab the little part, give it a small fold over it, and then a nice firm roll up, like that. Make sure it's nice, even with the poles here. Give it a good tug. And that's your awning tucked up nicely. Bring my towel over. Proceed to zip up the cover. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Neat and tight. Follow the process and your awning will be perfectly rolled up out of the way and zip nicely into its cover bag. Bushwakka, taking you further.